to get Bybit account verified. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Bybit, then click on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the navigation bar, then tap on the account and security page. After that, click on Verify Now beside the Identity Verification column under Account Info to enter the Identify Verification page. Then simply click on Verify Now under LV1 Identity Verification to start verifying your identity. Then select the country or region that issued your ID and your identity document type to upload proof of identity documents and click on Next to continue. Due to certain country regulations for Nigerian and Dutch users, please refer to the Special Requirements Verification section in the article. After that, complete your facial recognition scan through your laptop camera. And if you are unable to proceed to the facial recognition page after several attempts, it may be that the document submitted does not fulfill the requirements or there have been too many submissions within a short time period. In this case, please try again after 30 minutes. After that, to verify what you have submitted, click on the Next to Submit. And after we have verified your information, you will see a verified icon in the top left corner on the LV1 window. Your withdrawal amount limit has now increased. After that, if you require a higher fiat deposit coin withdrawal limits, then please head to LV2 Identify Verification and click on Verify Now. Please tick I agree to processing of my personal data and upload the required documents in here as well. After you have verified your information, your withdrawal amount limit will be increased and you can double check your submitted information from the identity verification page as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.